Hello friends, I am Mr. Sanjay K. Bhadke, presently working as an assistant professor at Department of Civil Engineering, Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Friends, today we are going to solve the numerical which is related with the score depth, and we know that depth of foundation for the bridge is called as the score depth. So friends, today we are going to solve the numerical which is related with this score depth. Basically, we know that score depth is the depth which normally we are measuring at the center of any water resource like river or stream. So when we are measuring this depth at the center of river or stream, then it is called as the score depth, because we know that at the center the depth is always maximum. So when we want to design any foundation for the bridge, in that case we are calculating the depth at the center of any water resources. So today we are going to discuss how to calculate this score depth. So friends, basically score depth is denoted by small d, and in today's numerical, we are going to discuss that how to calculate the score depth for a proposed bridge site. So when we calculate this score depth, we require some data. So here in this numerical, the given data is number 1, they have given the maximum flood discharge. Maximum flood discharge. So here maximum flood discharge is given, and this value is given as a Q, and it is equal to 1265 MQ per second. This value is given as a 1265 MQ per second. So I again write this value so you can remember this value. So here Q is given 1265 m cube per second. So here discharge is given in m cube per second. Secondly, the another dimension is given as the span arrangement. So span arrangement is very important. So here span arrangement, and its value is given as 3 into 22.8. So you can understand the two values are given. Number 1 is discharge, that is equal to 1265 m cube per second, and the second value is given as a span arrangement, and it is equal to 3 into 22.8. Then we have some constant that may or may not be given in the numericals. So if the constant is not given, then you have to consider, so that constant is called as Lacy's constant. Lacy's slit constant. What it is called as? Lacy's slit constant, and it is always denoted by small f, and here this value is given as 0.64. You always remember, if the value of this slit constant is not given, in that case you try to consider it in between 0.60 to 0.65. If it is not given, if it is given, then in that case you take this value. So here f is given 0.64, which is called as the Lacy's slit factor. Now how to calculate the linear waterway? So there is one formula. By using that formula, we can calculate the linear waterway. So this linear waterway is very important when we calculate the score depth for the foundation. So here we have given the span. So here span arrangement is given 3 into 22.8. So linear waterway is denoted by capital L. How we denote this linear waterway? We denote this linear waterway by capital L, and you will get this capital L by summing the given value of span arrangement. So here span arrangement is given 3 into 22.8. So you just find out this product of 3 into 22.8. So this value will be your linear waterway. So if we are doing the calculation, we will get this value as a 64.8 meter. So this is your value of L. You can understand here your value of L, that is linear waterway, will be 64.8 meter. So this way we can calculate the value of linear waterway. Next is to calculate the value of natural waterway. So second point, to calculate the value of natural waterway. Natural waterway. So always remember that natural waterway is denoted by W. How will denote the natural waterway? The natural waterway is denoted by the W, and the formula to calculate the natural waterway is 4.8 under root of Q. You have to remember this formula. 4.8 under root of Q, where Q is the discharge and which is given as a 1265 m cube per second. So friends, this way we can calculate the natural waterway and we can calculate the linear waterway. Now we have the formula W is equal to 4.8 under root of Q. So by using this formula, we will calculate the natural waterway. So here we know the formula is, it is denoted by W, natural waterway is denoted by W, and our formula is 4.8 under root of Q, and we have the value of Q 4.8 under root value of Q is 1265. So you calculate this. When we multiply 4.8 by under root of 1265, so we will get the value of natural waterway is near about 170.7 meter. How much value we get? 170.7 meter. Okay. Now the next step is, we have given the Lassie's slit factor, that is F. How much this value given? This value is given 0.64, which is called as the Lassie's slit factor. So here now we have to do the comparison. So when, or your first condition, case number 1, how to calculate the score depth. So if we are consider the case number 1, or you may call that this is the case number A. So if L, that is linear waterway, is greater than W. This is your first condition. If linear waterway is greater than W, so in that case you can calculate the D by using this formula 0.473 in bracket Q divided by F and it's raised to 1 by 3. In which condition? When your L is greater than W, so you will using this formula, or your case number B. So in case number B, when your L is less than W, means your linear waterway is less than your natural waterway. So in that case we have to use different formula. So in that case your score depth D is given by 0.473 in bracket Q by F raised to 1 by 3. Again it is multiplied by W by L raised to 0.61. You have to remember this formula because here we have to consider two conditions. In first condition, when L is greater than W, you have to use first formula. In second condition, when L is less than W, so you have to use this second formula. So you remember these two formula number A and formula number B. Now what is the condition in our numerical? So I think in our numerical W is greater. So in our numerical L is greater than W. So what is the value of L? L is 68.4 meter. L is 68.4 meter and our W is 170.72 meter. So here we will use formula number B to calculate the score depth. You can use this formula to calculate the score depth. Okay. Use this formula to calculate the score depth. So now we will put the value. You can once remember this formula, we will put the value and we will calculate the answer. So here two conditions are given so that we have to compare the value of L and value of W. So again I will write the formula, that is this D which is score depth so this formula will be D is equal to 0.473 in bracket we can put the value of cube, that is 1265 multiply by 0.64 in bracket 1 by 3 multiply by 170.72 divided by 68.4 bracket complete and here raised to 0.61. Okay, so now you can do the calculations. So one, you can do the calculation, you will get the value of D as 10.37 meter. You check the calculation and you will get the value of D as a 10.37 meter. So this way we have to calculate the score depth. And why we calculating this score depth? We calculating this score depth because if we want to provide a proper type of foundation for the given bridge, so in that case we require the highest depth of the water. So that we have to do this type of calculation. So here you will get the value of score depth as a 10.37 meter. Now how to calculate the maximum score depth? Maximum score depth. So there is one formula to calculate the maximum score depth. So maximum score depth is given by 2 into actual score depth. 2 into actual score depth. So here you can put the value 2 into 10.37. So you will get the value as a 20.74 meter. So this will be your final answer, that is maximum score depth will be 20.74 meter. So student, this way we can calculate the value of score depth, which is very important for the foundation of bridge. And I hope you may understand this numerical. So this way I will give you another numerical and you have to solve this numerical and submit the as a assignment. So thank you very much.